Hey everyone, Michael Heath with Get Automating, and today outside, such a rainy day. And I'm okay with a rainy day, but I crave Asian food when it rains. I mean, I'm talking pad thai, talking the general, talking sushi, give it to me all. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and just assume that's normal for everyone.
Get Automating, enhancing humans daily.
If you're ever in Las Vegas, you gotta go eat some Mazumis. It's in the wind, great food, great matcha tea. I mean, they put that tea to work. Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put that tea model we built to work. We're gonna put it in a Power App and just show how we're taking that AI model and dropping it into a solution. Let's take a look. Taking our AI model that we built with tea leaves, we're gonna create an app that we're able to upload the photo of the product. It's going to detect that using the AI builder model that was built, and then is going to ship off that confidence score and the tagging into Dataverse. So if you're unfamiliar with how to create that model, go back, hit up the episode where we create that tea leaf reader model. So we're going to start off blank app, Canvas app, call it the tea reader, going to click phone because we don't need all that real estate with the tablet. All right, once loaded, we have an empty canvas. The first thing we're going to do is insert the AI builder detection model here. So the object detector, add this to the screen, bring it down just a little bit. That's probably good. And then we're going to select the AI model. This will be the detection tea leaf model that we created in a previous episode. Hook that bad boy up. So we're good there. We can even try it out if we want. And click on detect. Right now we have a basic app that will detect the images that it's been trained on. Green tea cinnamon, green tea rose, green tea mint. Boom, done. Next step, I want to upload all the metadata associated with it. So the tagging data and the confidence score. Nice to have, put that in the table. Let's add that table. Now we're coming over here to our data table preview. All right, so we got our data table selected here. We're going to modify the items property. And what we want to do is point this to the results that came back from the object detector. So we're going to hit that item right here, and then we're going to hit dot, and we're going to go into the properties. The properties that we want are those results. Now, it's a little bit overlapping right there, so let's bring that bad boy down. All right, perfect. Line them up nicely there, and boom. Now we have a table. We have no fields in this data table, as it said, so we're going to add those fields. And what we're going to choose here, we're going to get the tag name, we're going to get the confidence. That's what we need. So we'll add that. It's in the right order. We got it, boom, right here. Shows up. So the last thing is we need to commit this data to our database, which is our Dataverse table. So I'm going to grab the button real quick here, slide him on down, come back up. There we go. It's going to be a big honking button, but that's okay. That's the real estate that we have, and we're going to fill it. Let's see here, get our properties. Call that submit. All right, so now that we have our submit button ready to go, we need to tell it what data source we're going to add it to. So we need to add that data to the actual app. We're going to use our object detection products table. We're not going to mess around with creating our own tables. And then we're simply going to patch this record. We're going to patch the object detection products table, and we're going to bring in the information from the data table that we have here shown. And we're going to add that record. Easy peasy. So now we can come over here. We can play this. We can drop in a new image here. I'll select Contoso T15. Detect the images. Get our confidence score. I like the green tea rose, so that's the one I'm going to submit. And lastly, if we come over here, let's search for our table. And we see roughly just a minute ago, 10:20 a.m., we have our green tea rose. All right, so this is just one of the many ways you could take an AI model and use it in a solution. Tip of the iceberg, and we're going to explore more, but get that model out of publication and get automating.